Top 13 Future Technology 2050, that will change the living on Earth. We are moving forward with time and humanity is moving to the year 2050. So we are listing some technology predictions for 2050 that are gonna change humans' lifestyle and living on this planet. Number 13. Human head transplants. A head transplant is a surgical operation involving the placement of one organism's head onto the body of another. In many experiments, the recipient's head was not removed, but in others, it has been. Experimentation in animals began in the early 1900s. Number 12. Earth-seeing from high-altitude balloons. Space tourism is going to become very common for people on Earth. Some people are planning for a hanging balloon in the stratosphere of Earth, where people will spend time for a couple of weeks. The group Worldview Enterprises is moving forward to provide this facility. Sightseers will ship into the stratosphere, 32 kilometers above Earth, on sightseeing balloons. Number 11. The drone will uncover immaculate spots. The drone can be seen in our daily life, but this is one of the future technology 2050, which is going to make a major change. Someplace down in underground mines, plenty of zones are out of accomplishing. But, a company like Incanova started to handle manufacturers' rambles that fly, drive, and climb. Number 10. Ocean thermal energy can take us to 100% sustainable power provide. Ocean warmth vitality is an undiscovered asset, and one in all many world's best sustainable power sources. For now, Blue Rise is making a vital achievement by creating utility-scale power through ocean thermal energy. It is a petroleum product, based on age and different renewables that need stockpiling and lattice adjusting. Number 9. A plant will charge your cell phone. Did you discover that you could accuse your telephone of the depth of a plant? Woodlands can flip into the vitality stations of points to return. It is attending to be conceivable. For example, Bio is a perfect tech group match for producing power from the plant's photosynthesis. Proper right here, you probably can watch a video to hunt out about it. Number 8. Self-driving vehicles will make driving safer. Whatever the accidents along with self-driving autos which have hit these years, AI would possibly diminish passings and wounds on the streets. As indicated by a report by Stanford School, AI could get changes in our strategies of life too. We're going to have further energy for ourselves. Number 7. Space tourism, per week in orbit, 7 days in a circle. Concurring to Enterprise Insider, the space tourism business might very properly be often in 2050, but just for the affluent. Rocket organizations like Blue Origin and SpaceX will push the space journey commerce throughout 2050. For instance, any particular person who would possibly bear to pay 100 million quid would possibly endure 7 days in the circle. Number 6. IoT innovation will change merchandise plans. As indicated by Forbes, by 2020, IoT know-how will be in 95% of gadgets for model new merchandise buildings. Furthermore, by 2050 it is relied upon to have all the items associated with the cloud and to the online. Number 5. Simulated intelligence will flip proper right into a constructive internet employment job. AI in our lives, as they give thought to that in the direction of the tip robots, will supplant folks, and we will not have occupations for it. Because it might. According to Forbes, AI will flip proper right into a constructive internet occupation. It will create 2.3 million jobs, whereas wiping out 1.8 million employments. Number 4. The Hyperloop will switch faster than aeroplane. To test driving? Envision your follow carriage plunging down a passage on the identical velocity as an Enterprise stream service. That is the fantasy of PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX organizer Elon Musk. This Hyperloop framework would transfer at 760 miles per hour through a vacuum tube. Compacted air and acceptance engines will impel the vacuum tube. Number 3. Coronary heart monitoring t-shirt. Wearable video games groups that measure your pulse are a similar earlier issue. But, as different investigations have appeared, the precision can differ. This new ECG printed t-shirt will calculate coronary heart pulsates and synchronize to the cloud through the internet. Number 2. Nanobots will be part of our thoughts onto the cloud. Nanorobotics is one of the rising technology in the list of Future Technology 2050, creating machines or robots whose components are at or close to the size of a nanometer, 10 meters. Nanotechnology engineering is the self-discipline of designing and constructing nanorobots. Number 1. Human reincarnation by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is one of the Future Technology 2050, which is going to affect big aspects of human life. AI is going to make a big change in the future. But one of the future technology predictions is that computers will be able to reincarnate human beings. Sounds terrifying, I do know. And probably many of the religious people will be very against it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more trivia.